Assalamualaikum beloved Huzur.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Mubarak Ahmad. I'm currently serving as a life devotee in Jamaat office. How do we maintain our spirit of Waqaf when we have become a life devotee?
When you are Waqf-e-Zindagi, Waqf-e-Nau is also Waqf-e-Zindagi. Some of the Waqf-e-Nau have been taken by the Jamaat to do the full-time job in the Jamaat. And some of them are Waqf-e-Zindagi, but they have been asked to do their own job. So being a Waqf-e-Zindagi, always remember that you are doing your work for the sake of Allah. And always think that whatever you do, Allah is always watching over you. Right? And if Allah is seeing us, whatever we are doing, then we shall do our work honestly and sincerely. Right? So, always remember that we have to do our work for this, to seek Allah's pleasure. Right? So, if we are working with this, important thing in mind, then you will do honestly. Right? And pray to Allah also to help you to discharge your duties honestly and sincerely. Okay? Right? Okay. Assalamu alaikum.